Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a video about how to file tax return for 2023. So I'm not a tax advisor or anything, I'm nothing like that, but it's gonna be a very straightforward tutorial if you want to self-file it. It's just a tutorial. Please consult with your accountant or CPA and see if you have not made any mistake while filing it. I have to give this disclaimer. And also this works for me, so it might not work for you. So please look at it. If you want to imply, use it and imply on your tax return. I'm not liable for it. It's just my tax return and I'm gonna do it. Thank you. Now let's get started. Go to free tax. I'm going to freetaxusa.com and then start 2023 return. I don't have an account, so I'll just create a new account. Email address, let's see. And fill up whatever you have. Now fill up your password. What the hell? Okay, now this password match, then you just create your new account. So file online with online services. How did I do it? I used Free Tax USA, but I will not click it right now. This is my first time. What's my first name? John Doe. Occupation baller. Is it? Oh, yeah, 9 of them. Birth date. Street address. Mars. Whatever your street, whatever my street address is. Apartment number. If I don't have any apartment, I own the place. So it's city is Scranton, state is Pennsylvania for me, zip code. And then my address has not changed previously from the file return, so it's alright. Can parents claim you as independent on their tax return? Not in my case. I want to donate to presidential campaign, and then no. Yeah, obviously it's not valid, so fix this. What's Pennsylvania zip code? Scranton 18508. Okay, it's just random dummy data, so you can just put anything that matches your profile, and consult with your CPA or accountant before doing any of this. I'm doing it for my purpose. Save and continue. I'm single. I don't have no dependent. Yeah, looks good. Yeah. Continue to income. I'm unemployed, so I don't have any W-2s. Or no, I have a W-2. And I can upload the PDF here, or I can enter it manually. If my job has provided me a W-2, so I'll upload my PDF here, so it will automatically put all the details. Then continue. Yeah, fill it up. I filled it up. And let's go to the income. I'm just doing this, so I'll just skip for now. I'll do it later. And if I have any interest income, I don't. Dividend income, no. Unemployed, no. Social Security, no. Form SSA, no. And if I have, this is personal return, so I don't have any business or nothing. Gambling, I gambled. No, I didn't gamble. Go cryptocurrency, no. I feel like it's scam, so no. Here, do I want pro support? It'll be better if you really need it. It'll be better because there's a tax pro always helping you. And for my case, I'm pro, so no. Continue. If I had any, like homeowner, made a donation, I didn't do any of that. My standard deduction is 13,850, which is good. So do I have marketplace health insurance? No, I don't have it. No. Did I go to college? I feel like I went to college, and I can start. The college would provide me something, a document, 1098T, or whatever they send it. And then John completed 4 years or more of college. No. Oh, yes. No. In your case, it might be yes. My case, no. This, no. I don't do drugs. Name of my school, street address, city of school address, zip code. 7, continue. 7, continue. Just go here. Continue. 7, continue. I'll just skip for now. So if you have it, you can put it in there. If you don't, just 7, continue. I'll do no for now. I have already filed my taxes. This just an instruction to show you how to do it. Go. No. Yes. No. That might change for some of you guys, so please check with your accountant or CPA or someone. Continue. Make any. Yes. Your homes for energy credit? No. Oh, I said yes, right? So I have to go back. Sorry, I didn't do anything. No. If you have any of this, then fill it. This is a straightforward method. There's nothing that hard. Continue, but consult with your professional. I'll always say that because I'm not liable for anything. Continue, then start. I mean, whatever you have, you can fill it up. Refund maximize. No, I don't want to refund maximize. I didn't get 0 refund. If you have some refund, it will show up after you file the federal taxes. So which is this, and then continue. State return. Yes, I live in Pennsylvania. And yes, I did. It might be not for you. Did you make money? Yes. Then you have to put all of that. If not, then no. Were you a full-time resident? No. I mean, yes. County, I lived in Adams. 7, continue. Yeah, this area, I don't even know what that is, but did you? Then put it here. I have not, so this. No, continue. 7, continue. No, continue. 7, continue. Continue. Please read everything carefully. Do you need to prepare? No. Continue file. So these are the amounts that you'll either get back or you have to pay back to the government. So fill everything very wisely. This is for this tutorial is for someone who have one stream of income, or let's say like 2, and they want to file themselves and then save some money on the on tax purposes. Not tax purposes, but tax professionals. And yeah, you have to pay $14.99 for state return, but federal is free, free tax USA. Then continue. You want to pay with credit card or debit card, or pay with your refund, whatever, but it's better to pay with credit card because it's $15.89, whereas you'll be charged $24.99 for that. And then go and put your card number and everything, and then pay now and file it, and that should be it. Okay, so coming to this end of the video, this was a basic walkthrough of how to file tax. You can do it on your own. It's not that hard, but if you're not sure in anything, or you need any help, go to some tax professional, auditors, CPA, I mean not auditors, tax expert, CPA, anyone who can help you with taxes. And always be sure to make them sign their name when they prepare your taxes, because if they do any tax frauds and you get maximum refund, which you were not supposed to get, you'd get in trouble with the IRS, and IRS won't let you go, and you'll get in trouble, possibly prison time too. So be sure to always go to an expert if you are not sure. If you are sure, then follow this guideline and file at your own risk. Thank you, and see you in other how-to videos. Thank you. Bye.